Arlene, and today I'm going to show you how I created this makeup look. So if you'd like to see how to get it, just keep watching. Okay, I'm done with my foundation. I use Maybelline Superstay in 115 Ivory. For concealer, I use the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light, and for my brows, I use the Brow Gal, and I'm pretty sure it was Taupe. I don't remember, but it's the Brow Gal, whatever shade you're in. And then I am just setting my face with the Laura Mercier setting powder and translucent. And today I'm going to be using this palette again. I'm just trying to create different looks with it for you guys. Just in case you didn't like one of the looks I did, I am just creating more content. Okay, so I'm going to start out with the shade Journey, and I'm going to work that in the crease of my eyes. And I'm going to go with Amber, and I'm going to work that in the crease as well. And as you can see with that shade, I'm working in the crease, and then I'm kind of bringing it down on the lid as well. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with the shade Stone, and I'm going to work that in the outer corner. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and put that color Stone on the eyelid too, and just kind of pat it down. And as you can see, I'm just using one brush, and this is the Moda BMX 430 brush, the crease brush. You can actually use just like any brush. And I'm going to take this shade, again the Ember one, and I'm just going to work it above this a little bit more, just kind of blend it in. And then I'm just taking a flat brush. This is kind of a rounded one. And I'm going to take that color Stone, and I'm going to work it underneath my lash line right here. And I'm going to use the Henry and Hanks eyeliner in the color Black. Hopefully it doesn't spill everywhere. I still have the broken one, so it is not ideal, but it's all I have because they have not sent me my new one, so I'm going to try to work with it. I actually really like this eyeliner. It did a really good job. It was super easy to use, and I'm not the best at eyeliner, just saying. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a coat of mascara on, and I'm sorry for the lighting. It's like the clouds keep blocking the sun. So far I've done one coat of mascara, and I use the Better Than Sex mascara, and then I'm going to go ahead and contour my face before I put on another coat. So I'm just going to use the same brush that I always use, the MBX 130 pointed brush by Moda, and I'm using the middle contour shade. And I'm going to take that same color on the top of my forehead. Okay, this is going to look so pretty, like, oh. And then I'm going to take it underneath my neck. Okay, and now I'm going to take the shade Timber, and I'm just going to kind of deepen up just the hollow of my cheeks. I'm also going to take a little bit of that shade and just kind of put it right here. Just a little extra contour. Then I'm going to take the Luxie 250 brush and I'm just going to take that middle contour shade, this one right here, and I'm going to contour my nose. Oh, that's a lot of product. And underneath my lip. And then for blush, I'm going to use the Pretty Vulgar blush and Make Them Blush, number 18 Hush Blush. The blush brush. And then I'm just going to kind of blend all this in with a beauty blender. And it just takes away any harshness that it might have. Now time for another coat of mascara. And I'm going to take Junta Blue in the eye pencil, and I think it's just a dark brown, number 903. And I'm going to put it on my waterline. And I'm also top lining my line, which you just take this and go like this to do that. And again, I'm just going to take this Alouette face paint lip and cheek tint, and I'm just going to put the slightest dot, and I'm going to put this on my lips. Okay, and so that completes this look. So I'm just going to spray this Mario facial spray. You know what, I'm gonna put some highlight first before I actually do that. I'm just gonna use the Laura Geller and Gilded Honey, a little bronzing brush, and this is the Luxie 522. I'm not gonna know the names of these soon because the numbers are actually starting to wear off. So I'm actually not going to put this on my eyes today because I want it to actually look very matte. And if I kind of put this on, it's just going to put a little bit too much shimmer. So I'm not doing that today. I'm just going to use the Luxie 111 mini flat angled brush. And I'm just going to go in with this Tarte palette. And I'm going to take one of these matte shades, which is this one right here. And then I'm going to highlight with that. And I'm going to set it with my Mario Rose Water. And yeah, so that completes this look. I hope you guys liked it. If you haven't already, please like this video, subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, God bless.